class. Okay, we knew that this was a bit of a new program, so we wanted to give you a little bit of a tutorial on how to navigate. The first thing you're going to do is click, after you've registered using the link given to you by your teacher, is click Classes on the top, and it should take you to your period. Then you're going to click Assignments along the left side of the page. Once you click Assignments, it's going to give you a list of assignments. In this case, for today, we're working on rotations on the coordinate plane. Click that. At that point, it's going to bring up a map of all of your assignments. It's showing here that 0 out of 1 is completed, and Start. Click on the title again. Now, the first part of this assignment is an Explore activity. It has some bees that you can press buttons and see 90, 180, and 270 degree rotations. And then there's this chart. With this chart, you are going to use the starting point 6-1 and then do rotations positive or negatively around the origin, and then enter in the ending point. Now remember, positive rotations are counterclockwise, negative rotations are clockwise. You can also use the chart you copied into your notebooks yesterday to help you complete this. Once you've gone through the page, at the bottom or along the right side of your screen, there should be a button that looks like this that says Start Practicing. It's going to give you 10 questions to get right to help you be successful with this concept. When you are finished, you can press Done, and then at the top of the main page, there's a button that says Turn In. That will give your teacher your assignment and your grade. Thank you so much, and let us know if you have any questions.